What if I told you one forgotten queen beat the Roman war machine? Year 272 BC, Tarentum city under threat. Rome closing in on Tarentum. Across the sea, Olympias II rules Epirus. Pyrrhus obsessed with glory. He dreams of being the next Alexander. Rome threatens Greek trade. Tarentum begs for help. Olympias does the math, war ill bankruptcy. But if Pyrrhus wins, Epirus gains ports. She funds invasion, pays mercenaries. Outfits war elephants. Pyrrhus wins battles, yet loses veterans. Another such victory and I am undone. Rome survives. Epirus bleeds out. Olympias is financing forces Rome to innovate. Legions adapt to elephants. Allies strengthen. Rome learns to fight like a Mediterranean power. A queen's gamble nearly destroys her kingdom, yet it trains an empire that will dominate Europe.